Friends, the new Daxiang SUV is hard to access without a budget over 300,000 yuan. Even with a battery swap model, monthly rents range from hundreds to over 1,000 yuan. Yet, today I introduce you to a car starting at 269 to 800 yuan. Give you air suspension price plus LiDAR plus 2 rows of zero-gravity seats, and now you can still have a comprehensive discount of 60,000 yuan. It is Haobo HL, which can be said to run through the concept of high-end eco-rights very well. Other car series only have 30,000 or 400,000 yuan. At a price of more than 200,000 yuan, it can also give you an increased version of pure electric battery life which can run to 350 kilometers and then extend the range of SUV, even more than the higher priced ID Era 9X and M9 entry-level version. In addition, the whole series of model meal chassis, the whole series of LiDAR and the 30-88mm wheelbase, the product strength is quite excellent. It's worth getting to know. In terms of price, Haobo HL1 has a total of 8 configurations including 2 lines of main atmosphere increase and pure electricity which are 20.9 after discount. From 80,000 months onwards, whether you buy the entry-level model or the top-equipped Magic Alter chassis, the standard air suspension price of the whole series is adjusted in the 5th gear, and the STC variable blocking detector Moja active stabilization system is not spicy. Compared with some other large SUVs, the price has reached the range of 300,000 yuan, and these configurations are used to distinguish between high and low. Haobo HL stands out for its pricing and configuration strategy. The design language of this thick HL is called Land Yacht. The first 2 mountain and sea branch headlights adopt diamond cutting technology. According to the official luminescence, when Geshan is lit, it can broadcast light to the sea surface. The effect of welcoming guests and light show is amazing, and the light facecraft is also worth mentioning. The outer layer is a gold diamond bead of German poet, and the light paint is of the same origin as Maiba River. After baking at 140 degrees, Fang said that it will not fade after 10 years of exposure to the sun. Let's see that the body posture is low and wide. A yacht splint is a running line pulled from the front to the rear of the car. The overall sense of popularity is very strong, with a wheelbase of 5,126 meters, with a length of 1990 meter and a width of 38 millimeter. This size is actually close to that of M8. The design of M8 is stable, business driving and Hongmeng cockpit are advantages. The size of Haobo HL is quite intelligent, and the craftsmanship of Dongyu and Timian is more exquisite. Both of them have their own advantages. The trunk opening hits the floor, and after the 23 emissions are discharged with 6 seats, there is considerable room for expansion. With a big family on a weekend trip, Li camping gear is completely enough. The luxury of sitting in the car is no worse than the appearance, but the exquisite stitching of the solid wood trim with natural texture of Benan leather seats is very good, and the purple punching is exquisite, and these details are also in place. In terms of design, Haobo HL uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295P chip ADiGO intelligent cockpit system, large-size central control evaluation plus instrument plus HUD 3 screen connected to the car machine, and there is nothing to fault about enjoying speed and smoothness. In terms of driving assistance, Chen department comes standard with ADiGO driving assistance roof with a LiDAR plus multi-sensor fusion. This is Wu Duqing. NDA and high-speed NDA can realize the automatic passage of fried chicken in the toll station by intelligent navigation-assisted driving from parking space to parking space. The half-meter parking space can also easily assist bow into the space. In terms of practicality, the fifth 126mm car is 30,080 cm long, and the wheelbase data size is here, whether it is a 5-seat layout or a 6-seat layout. The space is indeed not bad. The second row is the core highlight of this car. The double zero-gravity seat has 12 electric adjustments of 127.5 degrees golden mausoleum pressure angle, and you can lie down in zero-gravity mode with 1 button. The 18-point hot massage function is also in the second row. The seats in the second row also support lateral movement, so those with children at home should be able to get it immediately. Seating in row 3 benefits from lateral width with nearly 2 meters of child seat interface, hosting 3 adults without squeezing. Rear entertainment and cockpit options offer upgraded usability with budget adjustments for LiDAR. The extended range version supports 5C flash charging and combined ranges over 1,200 kilometers. With rear drive maximum power of 250 watts or 380 kilowatt variant dual motors, battery advancements achieve up to 750 kilometers range. The lateral width of the child seat interface of the backrest is nearly 2 meters, and 3 adults in the third row will not squeeze in the daily scene. During lunch break, 2 rows of zero-gravity and 1 lie down with babies, and 23 rows can be equipped with child safety seats, which is excellent in usability. In terms of cockpit entertainment, the rear small table version is standard with Pro version or above, and the Pro version of the rear entertainment flat and the entry-level car refrigerator is slightly increased by 10,000, so the budget can have LiDAR and more cockpit functions. In terms of power, the range extension board is a 1.5T single motor with a maximum power of 250 kilowatts and 60 points. The 3°30 battery comes from Mingde Era CRTC with a pure electric range of 350 kilometers. CRTC has a comprehensive range of more than 1,200 kilometers and a fuel consumption of 6.7 liters. What is rare every 100 kilometers is that the extended range version also supports 5C flash charging. In more than 10 minutes, from 30% to 80% pure electric 100% rear drive and 4-wheel drive rear drive motors have a maximum power of 250 kilowatts, equipped with a 108.35-degree battery with a range of 750 kilometers. The maximum power of 40 version dual electrical appliances is 380 kilowatts, and the range of CLTC is 700 kilometers. In terms of chassis, the fast charging speed is the same as that of the range-extending board with 4.5 seconds acceleration. The front double difference ratio and the rear 5-link Magic Alter chassis of the whole series fully integrate the Super Magic carpet control of empty spinning SDC inspection and hard claw image stabilization. The road bump filtration is excellent, and the turning half scene is only 5.9 meters, which is recommended. The price of the extended range 350 max 5-seat laser barrier plate is appropriate, and the configuration is relatively comprehensive. This configuration gives all the zero-gravity seat LiDAR of the chassis of the 5C fast-charging mold table with 350 kilometers of CRTC storage and battery life, commuting when pure electricity opens the weekend acting door and extends the range. The scene coverage is very comprehensive. If the budget is really tight, the extended range Pro 5-seat 269,800 can also be used without reducing the chassis of LiDAR and Magic Detective, saving 20,000 pieces without affecting the core experience. Overall, the advantage of Haobo HL lies in the low brand premium. That configuration difference makes the advantage that the price within 300,000 can experience what can only be had in the original 30,400,000 or even 45,000, and it is the standard of the whole system. For friends who are interested in the actual configuration and family comfort experience, it is indeed a regrettable choice among the new car making forces at this price. What do you think of this car? Let's talk together. That's all about this 7-day electricity exploration. I'll see you next time.